together. I hope that this turn of the seasons finds you well, whichever season you happen to be turning from or turning to, depending on your hemisphere. Here in Portland, we are turning to the fall, and that always makes me excited about going back to school, back to basics. That's what I'm here to invite you to consider to do as well. This fall, I'm going to be teaching 2 different workshop series. One is called the Musician's Toolbox workshop series. This is going to be a chance to definitely continue to play and strum and sing together on our ukuleles. But if you are another instrumentalist, you're welcome to come and join us as well, because mostly what we're going to be doing is working on our skills of musicianship. So that's a little bit different to me than the skills of technical playing, right? We're going to be opening our ears, we're going to feel this music in our bodies, and we're going to take a closer look at the foundation underneath all the music that we make, and see how understanding that foundation better is going to make us better musicians. There are going to be 5 different workshops. 2 are going to be on ear training, 1 more focused on melody, 1 more focused on chord progressions. There's going to be 1 on music theory, kind of getting beyond some of the basic chord progressions we've looked at. There's going to be 1 on rhythm. And finally, the last one, the 5th one, I haven't determined a theme yet because I want to see what emerges in these 4 workshops and see if there's a follow-up topic we want to address or something we want to go a bit deeper on. So I hope you will join me for that. You can theoretically drop in and just take 1 or 2, especially if your schedule only allows for that. But there is going to be a nice opportunity if you are able to take all of them for 1 workshop to kind of build on the next. Doesn't have to be that way, but is certainly an advantage if you can swing it. There will be 3 cohorts for that. 2 are going to be right here in Portland, 1 in Southwest Portland, 1 in Southeast. Southwest will be Wednesdays, Southeast will be Thursdays, as they have typically been. There will also be a Zoom cohort on Saturday morning Pacific time, and that will be live and recorded. So if you can't make it, you can still sign up and you'll get the recording and the whole recap, all the resources that you need for the workshop. That's number 1. Number 2 is going to be a workshop series I'm calling Intro to Songwriting Sessions. And the Songwriting Sessions are a format for teaching songwriting I started a few years ago. We start with a song study. We keep it pretty short, but we all listen to a song together, and I usually have a couple questions to prompt some reflection about what works so well about the song. And we're going to use that as a prompt and as inspiration for our own songwriting times. We're going to have a little bit of workshop time during this workshop as well. Makes sense to have workshop time during a workshop, where you get a chance to engage in the process. You're not at home, you don't have any dishes to do, you can just kind of like leave that all there and hunker down and use some of our workshop time to dive into your own writing. And then at the end, we'll close with just a little bit of reflection on the process and some ideas for continuing what we have started in the workshop once you are home and back in your regular practice. There will be just 2 cohorts for that, 1 in Southeast Portland in person here, and another one on Zoom that will be live and recorded. So again, if you can't make it live, I will be sure to record it so you can watch it later. You can study the song right along with us, work on your songwriting right along with us, even if you can't make it live. So that's it. Back to basics, back to school. I hope you can join us for these deep dives into music together.